Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a troubleshooting cannot find drives when installing Windows 11 or 10 in ASUS laptop. So it's often or rarely happen, but in order to fix this there is one solution. So based on this article by ASUS and how to solve these issues of not being able to find this drive during installation of Windows 11 or 10. Here for example, there is no hard drive. So the first method, you can try to download and extract IRST driver, Intel Rapid Storage Technology. Here please refer to this article. You can download the IRST driver here, very small, up to 2 MB. You can download from the ASUS official website, and after download is complete you can double click on the download file and proceed the setup wizard, and after extract, you can try to extract instead of install. You can follow this instruction. You can click next, and here selecting the destination folder, connect the USB flash drive to the device and click browse. Here, if your Windows 11 or 10 installation media is also using USB flash drive, you can choose to extract the package to the same flash drive. Then you can follow the step by install, and the IRST driver will be extracted to the USB flash drive. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.